What's up guys, it's Dobby from DUCKCHAR. Welcome to another episode of Cooking Stuff with Duck Fat. Smoked rack of lamb. It's a super easy recipe to make. Ooh, I'm so excited. I love rack of lamb. I'm so excited. I get to keep what's left over, correct? I think that is in my contract. I'm gonna contact my agent right now. I think we had that in writing before the deal. I hate to be difficult, but I just really like it. You don't have to do a lot with a high quality rack of lamb because it already has a lot of natural flavors. We're gonna smoke it, and then we're gonna sear it with DUCKCHAR Duck Fat. To get started, use your favorite seasoning. We love DUCKCHAR Smoke Something Rubbin' seasoning. Smoke the rack of lamb at 225 until the internal temperature hits about 110 or 115 degrees. Depending on your smoker, this is going to take anywhere from 90 minutes to 3 hours. I have to give you guys a quick warning. When you take the rack of lamb off the smoker, you're going to look at it and you're going to think, man, that actually looks good enough right now to eat. You're probably gonna be hungry because you've been waiting for a couple hours. Don't do it. Just wait 5 more minutes, okay? I'm trying to help you out. When you cook it with the duck fat, it's gonna make it taste 10 times better. If you don't have a smoker, you can roast the rack of lamb in the oven. The key thing here is to pull the rack of lamb when it hits about 110 or 115 degrees so that you can finish it in a pan with DUCKCHAR Duck Fat. Preheat DUCKCHAR Duck Fat over high heat until it almost starts to smoke, and then quickly sear each side of the rack of lamb so that you get a nice crust all over. You're gonna pull the rack of lamb out of the pan once the internal temperature hits about 130 or 131 degrees. After that, let it rest for a few minutes and then cut and serve. If you guys have any comments or questions, comment below. And if you like this video, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. That's it. That's all. We'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Is that a wrap? Okay, excellent. Guys, I guess I want to be the bigger person here, so I want to apologize for the way I acted earlier. John, hey, a child can't make coffee better than you. That was really rude, but don't buy the pre-ground beans, you know? Buy them whole and grind them as you go. That way each cup will be as fresh as the last. They're just simple things that, you know, we can fix. Great job, guys. That's a wrap.